Welcome back to the Money and Margaritas Date Night Challenge. So if you haven't already, please get your margarita or your mocktail ready to go. Find a comfy spot with your partner, and here is your challenge for this week. So my challenge to you is to brainstorm as many date nights in or low cost or no cost date nights together. Because we all know it is super expensive sometimes to go out to dinner. Even dinner and a movie is very expensive these days. So work together, come up with as many ideas as you can for date nights in or no cost date nights together. Go. All right, here's a list to get you started on some no-cost or low-cost date night ideas. Check it out. All right, well, I hope that was fun. I hope you came up with a ton of really fun ideas. The next step is really just to prioritize maybe your top 3 and go have fun and plan some dates together and enjoy, and know that while you're enjoying each other and having fun, you are also saving money and getting that much closer to financial independence and your road to early retirement. Enjoy.